You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn this English pronunciation. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, make sure to stay tuned. If you want to learn how to pronounce a name and more confusing names, stay tuned. English pronunciation. How do I pronounce? How to pronounce this name? How to pronounce these names? Pronounce names. How to pronounce this name? English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.